So you want to learn how to install live server on Visual Code, so you don't need to reload each time. Every time you code something, then you need to reload Chrome in order to see the changes. Well, no more. Install live server on Visual Code, and this will solve the issue. Hello and welcome to Full Bootcamp. This is the place to be if you want to challenge yourself. DJ, roll the music.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So let's go ahead and install live server on Visual Code. This is how it's done. Let's go first. I'm gonna go and locate where I have my files, where I have my index, where I have my CSS, where I have my HTML. I have it right here at Full Bootcamp because I'm working with Full Bootcamp. Remember, it's the name of my channel. So let's go and open it. Now you see, I already created this. I created an index file. I created a folder for GS, images, and CSS. This is where I'm gonna put all my pictures of my website. I'm gonna put also all my CSS to give him some kind of style, and then the JavaScript to animate and do some great things. So how do you open VS Code from here? It's very simple. If you are on Windows, you're gonna press on Shift, keep the Shift key, hold it, and then you're gonna right click on your mouse, and then you're gonna see here open PowerShell. So we're gonna open PowerShell. So now, as you can see, we have the path. We are on the C, which is my disk, my local disk, the C, and then I'm in Full Bootcamp. So I'm right in the right path. I know this is where all my folders, all my files are, as you can see here. So I can do, if you want, a deer like that. So I'll be able to see, or an LS. It will give you exactly the same information. CLS is to clear the screen, right? But we're not learning now PowerShell or DOS commands. Those are pretty easy. We're gonna be able to use them later on. Maybe we're gonna do a boot camp on PowerShell, on commands of DOS, and so on. Ooh, I just realized that my camera just went ballistic. I'm on still mode, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna leave it like that since this is still recording. Okay, so what do we do next? Very easy, very simple. We're gonna type in code. We're gonna leave a space, and then we're gonna put a dot like this. Code, space, and then dot. Then you press on enter. And this is what's gonna happen when you do that. I have two screens, so it was done on the other screen. As you can see, now I have my HTML, my visual code that just opened. So this should open automatically after you press code space dot on PowerShell. So the next thing to do, we want to install the live server, so we don't need to refresh because it's a pain. Every time you do a change, you have to go back and forth with Chrome and have it refresh. In this case, we want to do it automatically with live the live server extensions. We're gonna type right here. Over here you have all the extensions, so we're gonna go the first one from Ritwick Day. We need to install this one, so I'm going to install it, and then it is installing. So this should take a couple of minutes. I believe it was done. Okay, so live server, this is the extension. Pretty good extension. It has 5 stars. A lot of people like it, and I'm gonna show you exactly why this is a great extension. Well, let's go and grab the index file. I'm gonna go the usual way I used to do over here without the extension. You're gonna click on the bug in run here, and usually this is how it opens. You can see the path, and I'll show you uh, how I used to without the extension. I'm gonna remove on locations. Let me just fix here the screen a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put this together, the visual code with the old way. So I'm gonna remove an S here on locations, and then I needed to go and press on Chrome to refresh it every time. So usually, let me show you an example of how usually it is. Usually when you do let's change. I just added an S over here to locations. As you can see over here, there's no S. So I added an S at the end of location. Now what I need to do is I need to save Control S, and now I need to Control S. I need to refresh it manually. As you can see, the S is right here, so the changes were done. But I don't want to do this all the time. What I want is I want to use live server. Open with live server. Now I have over here. Okay. Visual code, allow access. As you can see, now it opened, and it's the same website. I mean the same project, full bootcamp, which is our project. But as if you can see now, it's a different address. Here we have the folder, we have the disk C, and then the folder, and then the file index.html. But in this case over here, we have 1270. So we created a live server, and it should now refresh on its own. Let's give it a try. Okay, so let's do the same test we did before. Actually, I'm gonna do something drastic so you can see. On location, I'm gonna put loca, L-O-C-A. Then I'm gonna Control S to save. Boom! As you can see, it was refreshed automatically without me having to do any refreshing. So you're gonna save a lot of time when you do that. Control S. There you go. So that's gonna speed up your development coding speed. You'll be more productive. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, support this channel. This is the place you need to be. Why? Because here you're gonna learn so many things. You're gonna have challenges. You're gonna have real full boot camps, which means you're gonna have a full boot camp on coding, developing, on HTML, coding languages, and many more. But not only that, you're also gonna learn about crypto, because it's the talk of the week, the talk of the month, the talk of the year. If you are not in crypto, you're missing a lot. So what you need knowledge. Where are you gonna get your knowledge? You're gonna get it at full boot camp. This is where you're gonna get it, because here you're gonna have a full boot camp on crypto. So you'll know how to trade, you'll know how to buy, how to stake, how to farm. So many things that you need to know in 2021. Also, you're gonna learn about how to make money. How to make money nowadays. Well, you can make a lot of money online, but if you don't know how, then you're kind of lost. So here you're gonna learn how to make money online. You're gonna have a full boot camp on how to make money with Amazon, with eBay, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and many more. So don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification
Check the mic
bell
and make sure it sound right,
if you want to
boys.
know more about this.